Crypto Knowledge. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the top 5 cryptocurrency wallets you should consider using in 2023. So, if you're someone who invests in cryptocurrencies, this video is for you. Let's get started. Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X is one of the most popular hardware wallets out there, and for good reason. It's a compact device that allows you to store your cryptocurrencies offline, which makes it much harder for hackers to access your funds. The Nano X also supports over 1,800 different cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile choice for anyone who invests in multiple assets. Trezor Model T. The Trezor Model T is another popular hardware wallet that's similar to the Ledger Nano X. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and is incredibly secure thanks to its offline storage capabilities. Additionally, the Trezor Model T is easy to use and comes with a touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate. Exodus Wallet. If you prefer a software-based wallet, the Exodus Wallet is a great option. It's a desktop wallet that supports over 100 different cryptocurrencies and allows you to easily manage your portfolio. The Exodus Wallet also has a built-in exchange feature that lets you swap one cryptocurrency for another without leaving the wallet. Atomic Wallet. The Atomic Wallet is another software-based wallet that's worth considering. It's available on multiple platforms, including desktop and mobile, and supports over 500 different cryptocurrencies. The Atomic Wallet also has a built-in exchange feature and allows you to earn interest on your crypto holdings through staking. Trust Wallet. Last but not least, we have the Trust Wallet. This is a mobile-based wallet that's available on both iOS and Android devices. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and is incredibly easy to use. Additionally, the Trust Wallet has a built-in dApp browser that allows you to access decentralized applications directly from the wallet. So those are our top 5 cryptocurrency wallets for 2023. Whether you prefer hardware or software-based wallets, there's an option out there that will work for you. As always, be sure to do your own research before choosing a wallet to make sure it meets your specific needs. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.